create a simple and elegant updo using a hair stick. Start by gathering your hair into a low ponytail and comb your hair smooth. With a tight hold, wrap the hair up and around your index finger. Then pinch the hair between the index finger and thumb and rotate so the hair twists up and the loop lays flat on your head at the top. Holding securely with your other hand, grab the hair stick. Insert the end of the hair stick into one side of the loop. Flip, picking up some of the scalp hair, and carefully push the hair stick through the top of the hair to come out the other side of the loop, using your hand as a guide. It may take a couple of tries to obtain a secure position. Try inserting the hair stick either higher or lower into the top of the twist to best suit your hair length or layers. Hair sticks are a great way to incorporate function and style for quick and elegant updos.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.